Brief, accurate and important news of today's Thursday. Based on the order of the Supreme Leader of the Islamic Emirate, 47 million Afghanis per month have been approved for Midwise Hospital in Kandahar. This money will be spent on machines, health equipment, staff salaries and necessary items for the hospital. The Economic Deputy of the Minister of Economy says that efforts have been made to implement energy transit project from the territory of Afghanistan to Central Asia and South Asia. The mentioned ministry will increase shortly. The practical works of Kasazar, Topi and two top projects will start. And with the start of the practical works of these projects, thousands of people will be provided with work. Honorable Khalifa Sirajuddin Haqqani, Acting Minister of Interior, while he was addressing the people of Daikundi province. The Mujahideen Sanghars of Daikundi were a symbol of the Islamic Brotherhood, in which Shia and Sunni Mujahideen sacrificed side by side for a single holy goal. The Ministry of Vice and Virtue said that its employees had arrested the sorcerer who was doing illegal activities in society. In addition to Paul Alam, the center of Logar province, 5 projects have been put into use in Muhammad Agha in Khawar districts at a cost of over 88 million Afghanis. Ghazni's Directorate of Agriculture, Irrigation and Livestock says the construction of 17 check dams worth 29 million Afghanis has started in Waghaz district of this province and provided job opportunities to many people.